The internet has a habit of losing its mind over shiny new toys. Right now, the spotlight is burning bright on a certain massive pellet grill. It claims it can destroy every other smoker on the market. People are posting photos of their weekend cooks like they just won a gold medal. The forums are buzzing with debates about whether this thing is actually the king of the backyard. I decided to stop listening to the hype. I started looking at the reality of owning one of these giants. We are talking about a machine that offers well over 1,000 square inches of cooking space. That is enough room to fit 50 burgers at once. You could feed a small army. Or maybe just that one neighbor who always shows up the moment he smells smoke. The hopper is another story entirely. It holds 30 pounds of pellets. This means you can keep the fire going for 30 hours straight. You never have to open the lid to refill. This is not a grill for a quick weeknight hot dog. This is professional grade gear. It is meant for serious, long-term sessions where you leave the meat alone. You let the machine do the heavy lifting. The engineering inside is actually quite impressive. They used a specific type of smart technology. You usually only see it in industrial bakeries or pharmaceutical labs. It manages to keep the temperature steady within just a few degrees. Most pellet grills struggle to get hot enough for a real sear. This one can hit 700 degrees. That is a game changer for anyone who wants perfect grill marks on a steak. You do not have to move the meat to a different piece of equipment. The build quality feels solid. We have a heavy-duty stainless steel fire pot. There is a cast iron heat deflector. The ceramic igniter is designed to last through 100,000 uses. They even throw in a 6-year warranty. That shows a lot of confidence. But there is a massive catch. The marketing teams are not mentioning it in their flashy videos. Real owners are starting to complain about basic features that are missing. There is no easy way to dump out the pellets. What if you want to switch wood flavors? You're stuck. There is no drain hole in the cooking chamber. The grease chute is tucked away in a bad spot. It is nearly impossible to clean out. It is wild to see a premium product skip over simple details. Much cheaper grills solved these problems years ago. It feels like the company focused so much on the power. They forgot people actually have to maintain these things. You are paying a high price for incredible performance. But you are also signing up for a massive headache. Every time you need to scrub it down, you will feel it. If you live for the perfect bark on a brisket and do not mind the extra work, but if you value your time, you might find yourself looking at the competition. Why spend so much on a beast that is such a chore to keep tame? At the end of the day, it is about what you value more. Do you want raw power or daily convenience? Do not let the shiny metal distract you from the reality of the cleanup. Keep your eyes open. Look past the bold claims before you drop your hard-earned cash. I spend my time digging through these claims for a reason. I would much rather tell you the truth than fill your head with sponsored fluff. That kind of stuff does not hold up in the real world. If you found this helpful, you can support this work by using the links I provide, and helps keep these investigations going. It does not cost you a thing. It keeps me from having to play nice with brands that sell expensive junk. Stay sharp. Keep questioning the marketing. Make sure your gear actually works as hard as you do.